Hello friends, welcome back to Google Analytics free tutorial. So we have gone through some of the basic reporting in the previous videos, in the previous video tutorials. So now here we'll just see how we can take the geographic report for your website's traffic. Means it will give you a geographic distribution of the traffic that's coming to your website. So this is very much important for you uh, for assessing your digital marketing activities. So let's see how we can take the geographic report for your website. Okay, just log into your Google Analytics and in the dashboard section, just navigate to the reports. There are mainly five reports there: real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. There's also attribution that's in the beta section that we'll go through it later. So click on the audience section here. Okay, so you can see a lot of links under it. Scroll down and you can see a link named Geo, which stands for geographical report. Click on that. Yeah, here you can see two options like language and location. So we need to click on the locations link to get the geographic distribution for the traffic. Click on that. Oh yes, here it is. You can see a graphical representation of the geographic report. And if you want to see the numerical report, it's just below that graphical report. So the site is getting the most traffic from India, followed by United States, then United Arab Emirates, China, Saudi Arabia, Canada, and so on. Okay, so this is a pretty good report. If you want to expand the report, you can select any of the options from here. I'm taking 50, so it will show the first 50 reports here. So I hope this is an interesting report for you. So you must have understood how to get the geography report for your website's traffic. So hope you like this video. Kindly like and share this video if you found it interesting. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell button near the subscribe link so that you get further notification for the latest videos that has been broadcast from here. Okay, till then, stay tuned for new videos. Bye.